morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the lesson Asia and Europe. Last week we learned about Asia continent, and today we are going to discuss about Europe continent. Now we will discuss about Europe. It is the sixth largest continent in size and the third largest population in the world. It has diverse landform and population peoples. It is the birthplace of Western civilization, democracy and industrial revolution. It is the most developed continent in the world. Let us explore the continent. Europe is found in the northern hemisphere and it covers an area of 10.5 million square kilometer. It is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea in the south, the Arctic Ocean in the west, and the Ural Mountain in the east. So it looks like a Giant Peninsula. European Union. The European Union (EU) is an economic and political union of 28 member countries for their welfare. It has one flag and the common currency, the euro. Next, physical division. Europe has diversified physical features such as mountain plains, plateaus, peninsular bays, island and river basins. It can be divided into 4 physical divisions. The northwestern highland, the central plateau highland, the Alpine mountain system, the North European plains. Let's we go through each headings. First one, the northwestern highland. The region included the mountains and plateaus of Norway, Sweden, Finland, Scotland and Iceland. This region has the most beautiful Jord coast. It was created by glaciation in the past. This region has a lot of lakes. Jord coast means it's a narrow and deep sea inlet between steep cliffs. It helps into the following ways. This region has a lot of lakes which has a reservation of producing hydroelectricity. Norway and Sweden are the largest producer of hydroelectricity in the world. They reduce the speed if wind of the direction. The force of sea waves are also controlled. The central plateaus. The plateaus are found in east-west direction across Central Europe. Many rivers in Europe such as the Danube, the Volga and the Danube originate from these plateaus. The important plateaus of this region are the Pennines in England, the Meseta in Spain, the Central Massif and Jura, France, the Black Forest, Germany. In this region has a rich mineral resources. The Pennines is called the backbone of England. The Alpine mountain system. The Alpine mountain system consists of a chain of young-fold mountains found in the southern part of Europe. They are they in Europe is Mount Elburz, 5,000. The Alpine mountain system consists of a chain of young-fold mountains found in the southern part of Europe. They are the highest peak in Europe is Mount Elburz, 5,645 meters. In the case of range, the Mount Blanc, 4,807 meters, found in the Alps, in the second highest peak in the Alpine system. There are several activities volcanoes found in the Alpine mountain system. Mount Etna, Mount Vesuvius, and Mount Stromboli are the important volcanoes found in the Europe. Earthquakes are common in the region. The Stromboli is called the lighthouse of the Mediterranean. The North European Plain. The North European Plain stretches from the Atlantic Ocean in the west to the Ural Mountain in the east. On the north, it is surrounded by the Baltic Sea, on the south by the Alpine Mountain. It is narrow is the west and wide towards the east. Major European rivers such as the Sins, the Antonician Plain, the Hungarian Plain, and the Wallachian Plain are also found in this region. It has rich deposit of the coal and iron ore. The North European Plains is density population region, and it is like Paris, Moscow, and Berlin are located here. Drainage in Europe. The river play an important role in the development of Europe. These rivers are used to range farmland and also help to produce electricity. Most of the river originate in the Alpines and the central plateaus of Europe. These rivers are useful for island navigation in central and eastern Europe. The Volga is the longest river in Europe. The river Danube passes through in 9th century in Europe. Climate in Europe. The climate of Europe varies from the subtropical to the polar climate. The Mediterranean climate of the south has warm summer and rainy winter. The western and northwestern part of has mild. Generally, human climate influenced by the North Arctic draft. It is central and eastern Europe. The climate is humid central types. In the northeast subtract the turned climate of found. The whole of Europe is subject to the moderating influence of prevailing westerly wind from the Arctic Ocean. Climate divided. The Alps mountain spreads the Mediterranean climate from the cold climate of the north. Next one, natural vegetation. The natural vegetation of Europe can be classified as follow. First one, tundra. Second one, taiga or coniferous. Third one, mixed forest. Fourth one, Mediterranean forest. The last one, grassland. Conifers or taiga vegetation are found as the south of tundra region in Norway, Sweden, Finland, Germany, Poland, and Australia. Resources based and economic activities of Europe. Availability of resources, efficient educate workforce, research center with the other nation of innovation has transformed Europe into the modern and economically developed in the world. Europe is an industrially developed countries in the world. It has a great diversity in the topography, climate, and the soil. This this interact to produce variety patterns of agriculture activities such as Mediterranean agriculture, dairy farming, mixed livestock and crop farming and horticulture. Europe, European, Russia, Sweden, and Finland are the major producer of softwood and hardwood. Fishing is the large industry in Norway, Russia, Denmark, United Kingdom, etc. Industries in Europe. Europe produce the significant product of the world: steel and iron ore, shopping, building, motor vehicles, and aircraft construction are widely distributed all over Europe. Europe is also a large producer of pharmaceutical a wide range of small scale industries. For example, these that produced non-durable goods is found throughout Europe. Some countries have a reputation for specialty goods, as in cases of English, Italian, and Dutch bicycles, Swedish and Finnish glass, Parisian perfumes and fashion goods, and Swiss precision instruments. Cultural mosaics of Europe. Europe is the third most population continent after Asia and Africa. The population of Europe was 742 million in 2018, which accounted for 9.73% of the world population. The population density in Europe is 34% by kilometer. High population density is often associated with the coalfield of Europe. Other population area are substantiated by mining, manufacturing, commerce, offering large marketing, labor force, and productive agriculture. Religious and language. Europe is the continent of a great linguistic and cultural difference. English, Spanish, Portuguese, French, Italian, and Slavic are the broadly spoken English in Europe. Christianity is the major religion in Europe. A considerable number of Hindu, Muslim, and Jews are spread throughout Europe. More than 90% of the people belong to the belong to the race. Next one, art and architecture. Next one, art and architecture. European art and architecture mostly revolves the ordinary human being is popular all over the world. Archopolis, the Colosseum, the statue of David, the, the thinker, the Eiffel Tower, Big Ben, Pisa Tower and Mona Lisa are some of the masterpieces of art and architecture in Europe. Food and festival. Bread, fish, meat, potato and dairy products are the staple food in Europe. The Europeans celebrate both religious and holidays festivals. Christmas, Easter, Good Friday, the Sunday, etc. A comparison of Asia and Europe. Asia. It is the largest continent both by area and population. Europe. It is the smallest continent by area and the most developed. Asia. It extends from 10 degree to 11 centigrade to 81 degree 12 north 10 degrees south to 81 degree north latitude, that is from the equator region to the polar region. It extends from 34 degree north to 81 degree north latitude, that is from the subtropical region to the polar region. Asia, it is located on this eastern hemisphere. Europe, it is located at the center of the earth. And Asia, the brink trail spread Asia and North America. The Arabian, Indochina, India and Kora are the important peninsula in Asia. The important parallels such as the equator, tropical of Cancer, Arctic Circle pass through it. Europe, only the Arctic Circle pass through it. Asia, all kinds of climate conditions are they found here. It also enjoy monsoon types of climate. Southern Asia receives summer rainfall. It lies largely in the temperature zone. It enjoys the density Mediterranean type of climate. Southern Europe receive winter rainfall. Asia, both hot and cool direct in are located here. Europe, there are no distract here. Asia, it has a variety of mineral deposit. Europe, mineral resources are limited, expert for coal and iron. Asia, plantation crops such as tree, rubber and dates are largely cultivated in Asia. Fruits, oils and grapes are cultivated mostly in Asia. A majority of people in Asia are involved in the primary activities. A majority of people in Europe are involved in secondary and tertiary activities. Let's recap of the lesson. Asia is the largest and most populated continent in the world. It is divided into 5 physical divisions. From the equator to the poles, all types of climate are found in Asia. The treeless polar region to equator forests are found in Asia. Iron ore, coal, petroleum, bauxite, mica, etc. are the chief minerals found in Asia. Rice, wheat, sugarcane, jute, cotton, tea, coffee, and dates are the important crops. Asia is the birthplace of all region. Europe is the sixth largest continent. It is divided into four physical divisions. The European rivers play a vital role in the country economy. Europe experience a cool temperature climate. Mixed farming is the most widely practiced type of agriculture in Europe. Coal and iron ore are a chief mineral found in Europe. Christianity is the major religion in Europe. My dear students, go through the lesson and book back exercise. Thank you, children.